As a part of my SCR activity, today I planted a tulsi plant. Tulsi is easily to grow at home. It lived for a many years if cared for well. It helped to boost immunity. Many people worship tulsi every day. Tulsi is used to Ayurveda medicines. Tulsi leaves are used to make a herbal tea. Tulsi leaves should be plucked gently. Tulsi plant needs sunlight and regular watering. The tulsi plant has a rich in a vitamin C and a zinc. Act as a antibiotic and antivirus agent. It is a helps balance mental health and anxiety. Tulsi is a relatively easily to grow but sensitive to cold sunlight. Request at least 4 or 6 hours or directly sunlight daily. Spiritual and cultural signification. In Hinduism, Tulsi is not just a plant, but it is a manufacturing of a goddess of a Lakshmi. Tulsi plant is a green plant found in a many home in India. Its leaves is a used in a medicine. Overall, I planted the Tulsi plant. It is a satisfying experience and a meaningful part of my SCR activity. Thank you.